Hi, Dr. Bahadur. If you are soft, a jellyfish, a wimp, they're gonna ride all over you. So sometimes you gotta stand tall, especially when you get people that are unethical, liars, cheats, robbers, deceitful. And when they are deceitful, liars, cheats, they do not, I repeat, they do not get away with it. Everyone has to pay. Everyone has to pay. I know of a gentleman, he goes around ripping people off, stealing, lying, cheating, even his own colleagues. And he gets his bumps all over his body. He has had it the first time, the second time, and the third time. And who knows? Maybe the fourth time. But sooner or later, this will get worse, maybe cancerous. If you are doing wrong, you will pay in this life.